the most heartfelt stories come from the most unexpected places. Amit Rai's latest film proves you don't have to be a dog lover to be swept away by this touching journey. It's a beautifully crafted story of loyalty, love, and the connections that make us human.
Amit sir, honestly, after Oh My God 2, everyone thought your next film would be another big social drama. And then we saw Oh My Dog. So what was it about this story that made you feel, okay, this has to be my next film?
I think this is greater social drama than the earlier one because it has that basic value of empathy, loyalty, kindness, and compassion and love, which binds a society. तो अगर समाज को एक धागे में बांधना है तो वो उस धागे के रंग से ही ये कहानी बुनी गई है.
आपको तो कुत्ते को बांध के रखना चाहिए था ना.
मेरे पास आओ मेरे दोस्तों, एक किस्सा सुनो.
ये स्टोरी, ये ट्रेलर आने से पहले जो सबसे पहले टाइटल आया, ओ माई डॉग, ये जब फर्स्ट टाइम आया, आपका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या था? डिड यू इंस्टेंटली फील इट वाज द राइट टाइटल?
Yeah, while writing itself, the first title which came into my mind was "Oh My God, Oh My Dog." We started working on that working title. Later on, I shifted to some other title, but later on, after the film got complete, everybody was watching the film. So my distributor and my marketing friend, they both insisted, especially Anil Thadani, he insisted that कि सर आप ये नाम बदलो आप. मैंने बोला उनको पता नहीं था. वरुण टोल्ड हिम दैट कि उनके पास एक टाइटल है ओ माय डॉग करके. बोला व्हाई ही इज नॉट यूजिंग दिस टाइटल. So he is little bit reluctant about it, that he wants to have something different title. That's why he's trying to name it like Dharma or something. So then we fought endlessly and he was very actually उन्होंने मेरे को मनाया कि नहीं अमित ये टाइटल सही होगा, and I went with his wisdom and experience and then we changed the title. So and now I think that the title is working because everybody is talking about the title.
I believe you also have your own dog, Oscar. Did living with Oscar influence the story?
The story came to my mind and it started developing because of Oscar, because when he came into my life, so that was a turning point. He changed everything. He changed my curriculum, he changed my timings, but he changed me as a person and my family as well, my kids. So पहले लगा था कि मैं उसको पाल रहा हूँ, एक महीने बाद पता चला कि वो मुझको पाल रहा है.
Having so many dogs on set must have been like every day a little unpredictable. What was the atmosphere like? I believe there were 250 dogs, if I'm correct.
We got accustomed to it because that is the portion which we shot in Patna, but in Assam there was only one dog. So later on when we shifted to Bihar, that was the crucial part when we shifted to Bihar, because weather changed drastically and we were supposed to shoot it in night. So that was the saving grace, only the saving grace, because while shooting in night, the public, the amount of what you can say, the hassle which we go through is the traffic and the public. So how to manage them? But during night sequences, even though they came to know that we are shooting in night, hordes of public you used to gather around the shooting places, and we were very what you can say very scared of, because once we leave the dog and they start performing, so अपने हिसाब से किसी भी गली में चले जाते. Then to again bring them to the same mark was difficult task.
Another thing that really stands out in the film is the cast. And especially Pankaj ji and you are working together after Oh My God 2. What was your first conversation with him about this film?
Actually, everybody who has worked with me in Oh My God 2, more or less everybody is there. Vijay Mishra is there, Pankaj Tripathi is there, Geeta Sharma, Pawan Malhotra sir is there, and Sridhar Dubey is there. So most of the cast, those who are in playing primarily role in Oh My God 2, they are in the film. So I approach everybody that I'm doing our next film, and if you want to listen to the story, you can come for a narration. And it's a story which brought them together. They loved it because even Pawan had 2 dogs at his place and Pankaj had 2 dogs at his place. So it more than my story, I think these dogs must have persuaded them that कि चलो उस फिल्म में काम करो जिसमें हम लोग काम करने वाले हैं या हमारी बिरादरी के लोग काम करने वाले हैं.
एक्सीडेंट हुआ होगा,
हो भी सकता है.
किडनैपिंग, रैंसम,
पॉसिबिलिटी तो हो ही सकती है.
वेब सीरीज बहुत देखते हैं क्या?
पिछले 10 दिनों में ऐसा कुछ हुआ है जो तुम लोगों के रूटीन से अलग हो?
डॉक्टरवा को बोल देना, इस बार ज्यादा लगेगा.
और जैसे मैं पढ़ रहा था कि पंकज सर ने शायद कोई फी भी नहीं चार्ज करी इस फिल्म के लिए बिकॉज ही कनेक्टेड सो डीपली विद द स्टोरी. ये जब कोई चीज होती है तो एक फिल्म मेकर के लिए, एक राइटर के लिए, एक डायरेक्टर के लिए, व्हाट गोस थ्रू योर माइंड?
Quite an encouragement for a film like this, where we don't have any what you can say studio setup or the star value attached to it. Only the story and the maker who has done Oh My God 2 is the talking point about the film. But I decided that the story of the film is the hero of the film. Let's go with the content and vouch on the story and rely on the story. The same goes with Pankaj's wisdom. He relied on the story. He knew that I'm going to make a good film, and he relied on the story, and he came on board.
किसका कुत्ता है?
मेरा स्टूडेंट है, कुछ नहीं.
घनी जंगलों से गुजरता हुआ कहीं जा रहा था.
अच्छा, फिर
आपने ध्यान दिया है आपके एरिया में कहीं कोई कुत्ता नहीं है.
सर एक चीज मैंने नोटिस करी, आपकी जो फिल्में होती है ना, वो बोलते हैं ना कॉन्वर्सेशन स्पार्क करने के लिए होती हैं. इट मेक्स यू थिंक, एटलीस्ट यू थिंक एंड यू रिफ्लेक्ट. Even Oh My God 2 was in that same space and it was appreciated by audiences, critics, everyone. How has life changed for you after that film? Has it changed the kind of stories coming your way or the expectations people have from you?
Look, again, that was a very great commercial success. वो 230-240 करोड़ का business हो तो it becomes a very great business, what you can say, film business success. So people start expecting the same kind of stories which can fetch money और वो economics में बैठ जाए कहानी. So this is not that sort of story which is hero-centric or hero-heroine-centric or a story like that where you can have a star value attached to it and the film will fetch the what you can say audience on the name of an actor or a studio. So it was difficult for me to mount a film. लेकिन क्या था कि आपने पीछे एक अपना मेटल प्रूफ किया है तो लोग आप पे विश्वास करते हैं, तो उनको लगता है कि हाँ चलो ये कहानी ये कहना चाह रहे हैं. So the only saving grace is that they believe in me now. That if I want to say some story, so there will be a buyer, there will be a taker. वो बोलेगा ठीक है मैं पैसे लगाता हूँ. So that's why I turned producer. For this film I turned as a ये पहली बार मैं प्रोड्यूस करने जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये फिल्म कोई दूसरा प्रोड्यूस करता नहीं.
प्लीज मेरी हेल्प करो.
महाभारत की शुरुआत भी एक कुत्ते से ही हुआ था.
आप तो सीसीटीवी का फुटेज देख सकते हैं कल रात का.
और अंत भी एक कुत्ते से ही हुआ.
हम लोग देख लेंगे क्या करना है.
पता कर लिया तुम्हारे बारे में.
Any one message you want to give to all the family members out there before they book their tickets? What can they expect?
I must say that if you have a dog or any pet, if you have a dog, you should watch the film. Of course, you are going to watch the film because you have a dog. But especially if you don't have a dog, you must watch this film.
देखना हनुमान जी खोज देंगे. तो ये बच्चा सबको हम चॉकलेट दिए थे.
पुलिस की गाड़ी हमारा पीछा क्यों कर रही है?
चल, चल,